Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I'll be the first to admit that I wear leggings every chance I get, so it's important to me that they're comfortable. This pair of leggings is from G4Free, and the first thing I'll tell you is that they are very soft and the material is very thick. I appreciate that there are 4 functioning pockets, that these are a high-waisted pair of leggings or yoga pants, and that they have a flare bootcut bottom. So it's a very flattering look, especially with leggings when they're going to be very snug. I like the material to be thick, high-waisted, and to have a bit of flare at the end. Now I have a very short inseam. I'm about a 29-inch inseam, so these are a little bit long on me. But whether I'm wearing them to lounge around the house, or whether I'm trying to work out or stretch with them, run errands, or just play in the backyard with my dog, I have found these to be very comfortable. I like the fact that I can wear these whether I'm going out or staying in, and I can style them accordingly. And the fact that they have that very soft material makes them very comfortable. So if you're looking to add another pair of comfortable leggings or yoga pants to your wardrobe, whatever the reason, I highly recommend this pair. This particular color is like a rust, between a rust color and a wine red color, and I have a size large. So I would say that the size large is snug on me, and if I wanted it to be a little looser, I would size up. Again, these are comfortable, soft, they have 4 functioning pockets, and the fact that they have that flare bootcut bottom. And that is my point of view.